Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Peugeot remote key fob. First, what we need to do is remove the screw just there at the top of the key fob, and then we need to split the two halves of the key fob to access the battery. So first we get our Phillips screwdriver and we just remove the screw like so. Now we get our flat-headed screwdriver, and just at the bottom there's an indentation there where it will just fit in, and we twist it and it cracks the case open like so, and there is your key fob battery. Very carefully just remove the card, the microchip card, out of the housing. It just gives you better access to the battery when removing it. You don't have to remove it. And then get your screwdriver and very gently prise the battery out of its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2016, like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing upwards towards you and you know it's in its correct location. Now it's time to put it back together. This key fob case has two locating pins, just one there and one there, with holes on the microchip that you just need to line up, just like that, and just pop the case back together like so. Make sure everything lines up and then just pop the screw back in. There you go, it's all done.